Amid rising geopolitical tensions linked to Iran, the United States has issued a temporary waiver allowing India to purchase Russian crude oil already stranded at sea. The announcement was made by Scott Bessent, who said the US Treasury Department has authorized a 30-day waiver to ensure global oil supplies remain stable. According to Bessent, the measure is designed to keep oil flowing into international markets during a period of heightened geopolitical uncertainty. He described the decision as a deliberately short-term measure, adding that it would not provide significant financial benefit to Russia because it only allows transactions involving oil cargoes that are already in transit. Following the announcement, Indian refiners have begun purchasing Russian crude shipments floating in Asian waters. Industry sources say Indian companies have secured around 20 million barrels of Russian oil, largely from non-sanctioned suppliers, though companies are seeking legal clarity on the scope of the waiver. India has emerged as one of the largest buyers of discounted Russian crude since Western sanctions were imposed on Moscow after the Russian invasion of Ukraine in 2022. The temporary waiver reflects Washington's attempt to balance two competing priorities, maintaining pressure on Russia through sanctions while preventing disruptions in global energy markets. Officials say the move is intended to address immediate supply concerns without altering the broader sanctions framework. For India, one of the world's largest energy importers, the waiver provides short-term flexibility in securing crude supplies during a volatile period for global oil markets.